How to fix a flickering iPhone screen. Well, if your iPhone screen is flickering, you can try some basic fixes. That is, you can force a restart. You can turn off auto brightness through settings. So to turn off auto brightness in settings, you can head over to settings, right? Then head over to accessibility. Once under accessibility, you want to head over to display and text here. And then here you want to disable HDR in the Photos app here. So you can see auto brightness option, you want to disable this. Right now, the other option is here. What you can also do is you can scroll down your notification panel. At the top right corner, you'll find power button. You can turn it off and turn it on, or you can hold your volume up, volume down and power button at once, and it should give you the option to restart as well. Then you can proceed to restart. You can also head over to settings, under it into general, and head into software update and check if for any update is available. Now, if it still doesn't fix it, what you want to do is you want to head over to the nearest store and get your screen fixed, as it might be a hardware issue as well. Hope this video helped you. To like and subscribe.